All right, we want to take a look at the introductory part, which has to do with AI, the introductory part of the class. And what we looked into, we actually jumped to the middle with three to pick some things to do. We'll use, let me open ChatGPT. We'll see what we can do um, with ChatGPT. Yeah, so we said we could use AI to do a lot of things. Let's see what AI could say about itself. So let's say explain AI to a beginner. Okay, so let's see what AI will say about itself. It said artificial intelligence AI is the ability of computers and machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Yes. It said these tasks include understanding language, recognizing images, solving problems, making decisions, learning from data, and even creating text, music, or artwork. Think of AI as teaching a computer to learn from examples instead of giving it instructions from every single task. So when your phone, there are so many examples there and so on. Okay, so these are some of, say AI is already used in many areas of everyday life, including education, healthcare, banking, agriculture, business, security, and transportation. These are areas where AI is now being used, and we are here to learn. Okay, we said that you give AI prompts, which are instructions. Okay, so if what are prompts? What what is a prompt? Prompt are instructions. So let's see. Said a prompt is the instruction, question, information you give an AI to tell it what you want it to do. Yes, simple prompt. Look at these simple prompts that are here. Okay, write a poem about love. Better prompt. Write 200 words romantic poem about true love using simple English. Excellent prompt. Write a 200-word romantic poem about true love using simple English. The audience is young adults. Use a hopeful tone and end with a memorable final line. Okay, and this is exactly what we said, that a good prompt should have a role. For example, act as a teacher. A good prompt should have a task. For example, explain photosynthesis. A good prompt should have a context, that is, any background information, like you should explain to a primary five pupil, and the format, how you want it to be when it generates it. You could use bullet points and the tone or style. So keep it simple and friendly. So let's now take a look. For example, we have a very good, it said, act as a mathematics teacher, explain fractions to GSS one student using simple English. Give three uh, everyday examples, and end with 5 practice questions. That's a very good prompt, okay, that we could give. This is another prompt as well that we could also give. Okay, so I would love to copy this very prompt. I think I like it. So let's give this instruction to AI. We copy it and we paste it and see what AI will do. Let's give that instruction back to it. This is what we did. Okay, so it is ready. We can use AI to actually generate um, lesson notes. Okay, can generate lesson notes, can generate exactly the instruction you say it should do. That is what it will do. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. And that is it. So we also said that we could create a, images. Okay, we could create images using AI. Okay, we could create images. We could create um, text, which is content. Okay, so I'm going to leave AI for now. Let me go and look for another prompt so that we can use it to create an image. Where can I get a prompt? Because of, so that I don't want the video to be too long, let me go to where, okay, workstation. Let me go to where I can see a prompt. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let me copy this one. So I'm going back to AI, to ChatGPT, where, so I'm going to start a new, okay, let me drop it here. We could have typed it, but I've dropped it now. The instruction that I want it to follow to create. Okay, so it says generate a 3D. All right, so if it doesn't, I go to somewhere else. If it comes, I think I've used it too much today. Is it generating? Oh, aha, I know. So if it does this, I'll go somewhere else. Okay, I'll go somewhere else. Let me go to where at least I've used another AI, which is the one that is on WhatsApp, right? The WhatsApp AI. Let me try and use WhatsApp AI. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here, right? Let me paste it here on WhatsApp and choose Meta AI, which is this one. Okay, so let's see what it will generate. So it's still AI, right? It's still AI. All right. So it's thinking. So let's allow it to think and give us something good. All right. I guess it's ready or almost ready. It should be around here. Aha. Okay. This is image just generated in Talent School, and it's a 3D. Of course, that's instruction. I think I love this. I love it. I love it. Let me take this one first. Let me take this one first. Thank you. All right. All right. So that's how to generate images. Give instruction and you get image. Let me use the opportunity. I want to go back to ChatGPT. I want ChatGPT to give me instruction that I will give to, which one will I give? To Flow to give us a video. Okay, so pay attention to how I'm going to generate the video. Okay, so okay, so let ChatGPT open. All right, so let's see what ChatGPT will give to us. And I'll copy this prompt. And I'll take it to Flow. I'll take it to Flow. I'm joining two items together. The prompt is here. It's 8 seconds. So I'm going to copy this prompt right from here. I'm going to copy it. I think it should be copied. Then I leave ChatGPT. I come to Flow. I've downloaded Flow, right? This is Flow. So I open Flow, Google Flow, to generate the video. So let's see what it will give to us. I hope I have credit to generate the video. I'm using phone, not laptop now, so you should understand it. Okay, let it load. I don't want this video to be too long. All right, here we come. I generated some videos ever since. So you come to new. Remember to log in. Come to new or sign in. New project, right? New project. New project. Then when you come to is this network, so let the new project load. Let's wait for it. Do not really want this video to be too long. New project, new project, new project. Come up, come up, come up. Is network. This network help us. New project. We click on new project. New project should come. Yeah. Hello. Kai. Aha. All right. So it's on now. For those of us who have issues, if you see Ole image there, you can change it. Click on it. Click on where you see that. Oh, I have 0. Jesus. Hi, what am I going to do now? I have 0 credit. I have 0. So, but I have 12. Oh, thank God. I have 0 credit on image, but I have 12. So now it was on image, and I'll take it to video, right? So I have 12 credits on video, and this is it. And it's going to be 8 seconds, and here I go. So I think I can paste the prompt that I got now. I can paste it here, at least for the sake of this video. Then I send it. And it's now generating, and the video will be ready. Okay, so let's allow the video to come up, download, then we download the video, and we are done. Okay, and we are done. So let it finish. So let the video finish generating. I have used one stone to kill 2 birds. Okay, and let's see how it goes. It will soon be done, just 8 seconds. Our video is ready. So let's get it out. And so how do we get it? From your phone? Once you click the video, you go for option.
Terrified disciples point and shout.
Download and download from option.
Terrified disciples point and shout. Terrified disciples point and shout.
So that's how we can maneuver.
Terrified disciples point and shout.
All right, everybody. Go practice, please. No more complaining.
Terrified disciples point and shout.